Advanced Forex Trend Trading Course. What do you use to understand financial markets? Are you adding indicators over indicators and you end up more confused than before? What if I told you that you can analyze the markets with just one indicator? What if I told you that you can turn one of the most complex indicators into a powerful and easy-to-use weapon to make money trading financial markets? Welcome to bestmt4ea.com. IKH Trend Indicator is a full Forex system and strategy. It is the best and easiest, most profitable thing that you have ever seen. With this IKH Trend Indicator, you have the ability to look forward the market. The system detect what will happen in the market. Then you will get a clear entry points. So you have a massive advantage over the other Forex traders. This is a real profit tool, which I use every time for my own trading. But hurry, the number of pieces is now limited. You will receive a full system, with all indicators, templates and expert advisors. A 2.5 hours video course file which is very easy to understand. You will get the most effective time frames, pairs and very clear entries and exits to generate from 20 plus to 2000 plus pips with every trade. Welcome to Advanced Forex Trend Trading Strategy Explained, brought to you by bestmt4ea.com. My ultimate goal for this course is not to teach you one trend indicator that you can have on your chart. My goal is to provide you with a logical strategy that you can apply to trade the markets with confidence. To achieve this goal, we first need to have a look at the IKH Trend Indicator. We will start with an introduction in order to familiarize with the complete indicator, then I will dedicate 12 entire lectures to each component of the indicator. You will not find a pre-packed set of rules to apply blindly. You will understand any single component of the IKH Trend Indicator, and you will learn any single formula and the reasons why we trade it in a certain way. This allows you to understand when and how to use the indicator, being able to differentiate between different market scenarios, finding the best opportunities to trade and make money trading the Forex market. Section 8 is entirely dedicated to Forex market analysis using the whole indicator, so you can start to familiarize with all the techniques and methods that we have studied in the previous sections. After that, we will have another important part of the strategy, risk management. If you had the chance to enroll in one of my other courses, you know that I like to keep things real. A strategy that helps only to analyze the market, without having a deep focus on stop loss and take profit, is not a complete strategy for me. So, my promise is to give you a complete strategy with a whole section about entry and exit points, in order to understand how to open and manage your trades. Almost all the examples provided in the course are about Forex trading, but I am confident that you will find the material very useful for other financial markets, like stock trading, cryptocurrency trading and many others. What else in this course? You will learn from my 11 plus years of experience. You have unlimited lifetime access at no extra costs. What you'll learn: have a full understanding of a profitable trading strategy, deep understanding of the IKH Trend Indicator, scan trading opportunities with the IKH Trend Indicator, understand the best entry and exit points to maximize your profit, trade with a solid strategy, choose the perfect time frame for your trading, immediately recognize trading opportunities on the chart, place different orders on the Forex market, analyze the opportunities in terms of risk to reward ratio, understand how the variable 1% money management works, understand how the 1% of max money management works, analyze the trend with a solid setup. Are there any course requirements or prerequisites? Basic understanding of Forex or stock market trading. A computer or laptop. Desire to learn and achieve your goals. Who this course is for. Anyone who wants a step-by-step strategy to start trading in the Forex market. Anyone who is interested in creating an income with online Forex trading. Traders who want to enhance their Forex knowledge and skill set. Traders who are still struggling to recognize the beginning of a new trend. Anyone who is looking for a proof that Forex trading can give you financial freedom. Traders who want to discover how to analyze the market with a logical approach. I like to say to all the idealists who are signing up for this course are like signing up for a gym membership. You have all the equipment, all the machines and a personal trainer ready to help you, but if you stay home, eating chips and watching television, you are not going to see any result, right? So, take your first step. Enroll in the course and let's start this journey together. See you at the top. For more details visit bestmt4ea.com.